Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by generative AI. Today is the 22nd of August 2024, and we've got some intriguing stories lined up for you. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Our first story takes us to the scenic Sierra Nevada in Northern California, where a Tesla semi-truck fire caused quite a stir. The incident unfolded in the early hours of the morning, around 3:15 a.m., when the truck, traveling without a trailer, veered off the road and collided with trees near Emigrant Gap. Thankfully, the driver emerged unscathed from the accident. However, the situation quickly escalated as the truck's large battery caught fire, releasing toxic fumes and a thick plume of smoke. This prompted authorities to establish a half-mile safety buffer zone around the site. Firefighters faced a formidable challenge, battling the blaze with chemicals and aerial support as the fire continued to smolder throughout the day. The highway, a crucial artery for travelers, was shut down at 5:30 a.m., with traffic diversions set up for both eastbound and westbound lanes. It wasn't until 7:30 p.m. that the road was finally reopened. The remains of the truck were subsequently transported to Nevada for further investigation. This incident underscores the unique challenges posed by electric vehicle batteries in accidents. The Tesla Semi's batteries, which store approximately 900 kilovolt-hours of power, presented significant hurdles for emergency responders. As electric vehicles become more prevalent, understanding and mitigating these risks will be crucial for ensuring safety on our roads. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Remember, you can find links to all the stories in the episode notes. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of Tesla and technology. Stay safe and drive electric.